Welcome to Toto Football. I cover everything soccer. Today, we're going to explore the concept of XG by taking a look at a Champions League game between Real Madrid and Juventus from 2018. But first, let's go back over what XG is. XG stands for expected goals. Every time a team takes a shot during the game, a shot is given a value based upon the likeliness that it would be scored as a goal. This value is based upon historical data. Historical data such as what part of the body the shot was taken with, what time during the game, and even shot location. You can then total up all values to get the expected goals during a game. Now that we have done a brief overview, let's take a look at some code. The resources I will be using today are Python code and Statsbomb code. I will link them in the description where you can get both of them. I'll be mainly going into the Statsbomb code rather than anything to do with the graph. First, we want to import the Statsbomb object as SB. Once we have that imported, I've created a custom function to draw the soccer field. Let's get an overview of the competitions that are included in the SB. This, of course, is the data that Statsbomb offers for free. I'm going to look at the 2016-2017 Champions League for the males. The unique identifier for this competition is Competition ID 16, Season ID 2. This out to our terminal now. At the top, we can see there is one game between Juventus and Real Madrid. The unique identifier for this is a match ID, 18244. Let's go back and print out this information to our terminal as well. This is what we want from our SB object are the events during the game. Events can be anything such as a whistle for the start of the game, a foul, a shot, a dribble, a substitution, anything. When analyzing a game, this is the information that we want. When we go back to our printout, we can now understand the second block. We can see every event from 0 to a little bit over 3,000 events. Obviously, we can't see all of it. Some of it is separated by the ... but we have an idea of what the data now looks like. Pay special attention to type. This is really what kind of event has happened. There might be anything from a shot to a pass, and as we can see, a substitution. The first thing that we want to capture are all the events that we want to look at, such as team, type, minute, location, and shot. I then want to take all the information for Real Madrid and put it into a Real Madrid variable. I do this by making sure the team is Real Madrid and making sure that the shot value is not null. This will grab every event that is a shot. Later on in the code, I do the same thing for Juventus. Next, within the shot variable we captured for Real Madrid, there is nested JSON, in which I want to grab all the Statsbomb expected goals data out of. The lambda function, I create a data frame for all of the XG values where there was a shot. Our last two print statements show us the data frame for the XG for Real Madrid, and then finally the total XG for Real Madrid during the game. Part is to grab the different X and Y values for Real Madrid and Juventus. Finally, when I print the figures, I want to make the size of the circle relevant to the size of the XG that goes along with that shot. At last, we have our plot. We have designated the red color for Real Madrid and the purple color for Juventus. As we can see during this game, Real Madrid had the majority of the shots, but not only that, the quality of the shots far surpassed that of Juventus. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Once again, this is Toto Football. I cover everything soccer.